Cooking with KiddiE Cul-De-Sac. Okay guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with KiddiE Cul-De-Sac. Today we will be making shepherd's pie. Now the first thing I like to do is get my water boiling. Drop in a couple chicken bouillon, whichever one you use, right? Like me. Whatever you prefer. Next, I like to add my bell peppers and onion. I know you can see this because it's steam. I'm not a fan of hard bell peppers and onions. I like my stuff sauteed. I like it to be chew. I don't like it too much. So if you like me, you want to get this started first. Next, I am dropping in my vegetables. It is cauliflower. Next we have my carrots. Next I have corn. Now we are a huge fan of green beans, so we have 2 cans of green beans. I have my peas. Out of there. Last can of green beans. And that's all the vegetables that I'm using. I thought I had broccoli, but I do not. Now, you can use whatever you prefer to use. You might not like green beans, so you might not put green beans in yours. Or you might not like carrots, so you might not put carrots in yours. So this is a shepherd's pie, vegetables of your choice. I'm just showing y'all how I make it. And I might cook this next month and switch it up and not even add cauliflower or green beans, you know? So it just depends. Now if you use canned goods, use your canned goods. If you use vegetables out your garden, use vegetables out your garden. Use what you want to. If you rinse your canned goods off, rinse them off. If you don't, then don't. You remember this, you are cooking this for your family. You cook it how you want to, how you choose to. Use whatever seasons you want to. You don't have to use the seasons I use. You don't have to use the vegetables I use. I just want to make a video, post it, and show you guys. And I wish you guys could taste it. But on another note, I am not going to season this yet. I am going to let my bell peppers get soft, my green beans get soft, my cauliflower get soft. I add the bouillon to season the water, so they'll still be cooking and seasoned. But I don't season this until at least 20 minutes later. Not before, okay? Because you want this to be real. You want this to be seasoned. You want to taste this and be like, ooh, that's good. Like, ooh, look, girl, get some of this, get some of this. You know, you want this to be fire. You want this to be good. You don't want it to taste like water. So let this simmer. I got mine on high though, so it's gonna cook. Let it cook. And then I'm going to time it. In about 20 minutes, I will add my seasons to it. And don't forget, you do not have to use. Okay, guys, so I have finished the vegetables. They are cooked to the texture that I wanted. I have seasoned them. And over here, I started my mashed potatoes, which goes on top. Next up, I will be cooking my ground meat. We are finished with the mashed potatoes. I just drained them. I am adding my butter. Now I'm mixing my mashed potatoes with shepherd pie, just like I do regular mashed potatoes. Which I use butter, add sour cream, and seasoning. These are your mashed potatoes. No one else's. You know what your family likes. You know what your family likes. Now, because cheese is already going on top of the mashed potatoes, I will not add them in, which sometimes I do. Like I said, you're fixing it for you and your family. add sour cream, season, cheese, and butter. And then I will add more cheese on top because I do love cheese. I am a cheese fan. Our mashed potatoes are finished. Our vegetables are finished. Now we're going to work on our ground beef. So I started my ground beef. Garlic powder, garlic salt seasoning powder, and a little to season off. Now I'll finish seasoning my meat after my meat turns brown. Like I need all of the brown, and I season it some more. I don't do too much. Okay guys, now we're getting ready to scoop our mix of vegetables and ground meat into our pan. Now that that's ready, it's all smooth, looking good, we will now add our mashed potatoes to the top. Okay guys, we're going to put it in the oven long enough for the cheese to melt. Oh my gosh. Doesn't that look juicy? Oh guys, I can't wait to try it. There you have it, shepherd's pie. Enjoy.